And what weird noise you hear?
I hear every night. Shoot, faster, faster. You're 35 years old. You have not bring back a girl to meet me at home or a boy. So, I arranged something for you.
Ma, told you many times already, I'm not into that kind of blind date kind of thingy.
It's not that old-fashioned thing.
So what have you arranged for me? Oh no.
A friend with benefit. She's coming. Impress her, my son. 加油! Jess, this is my son James. James,
Nice to meet
this is
you.
Jess. When you want to start, both of you, Ben.
Ma.
I thought it was weird when my friend and family suggested this, but maybe we need some privacy.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Hey, what you all doing
This kind of thing I can do in public one. Let's start now.
Start now.
Hey,
My son, what are you doing?
I will take out clothes how to have...
Friends with benefit is
yeah, what's
I told you, say you arrange a friend for benefit.
not this kind of benefit, it's another kind. It's not sex.
yeah, what's
Then friends with benefit what?
Friend, it's not nothing to do with sex.
Can we just stop talking about please?
She started first one.
I did it for you. Every night I heard weird noises from your room. You're now 35 years old, you got house. You never bring a girlfriend to show me, to meet me.
Ma, it's not yet. Not don't have. And what weird noise you hear?
I hear every night. Shoot, faster, faster. So I think you need one.
Ma, you do all these things because you hear me at night. Sure, faster. Then I ask you this question. What benefit can she give me?
Disgusting piece of shit!
Why is this escalating so fast? What I mean, you two get married so that she can take care of you and cook for you and wash for you, everything.
Wow, nowadays, women don't know how come so fierce one sia. By the way, Ma, you know, those noise you hear, right, is because I was talking to interior designer recommended by Renopedia.
What? Renopedia can benefit you.
You know, I so busy how to find interior designer one by one. So I use Renopedia. They recommend me 5 to 8 interior design firm. So when the interior design firm, they understand my need, I say, means good. Okay. Then when they show me a lot of portfolio, the portfolio very nice, I will say shiok. Shiok means nice. Then after that, I select an interior designer. I want the interior designer to start work on my home. So I say faster.
My son, you still need friends with benefits?
Stand a chance to win up to $50,000 from their annual lucky draw when you renovate your dream home with Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.